Hello, my name is Arthur Haughey. I'm the physician assistant at SINY. Today we'll be talking about miraDRY. 4.3 million people suffer from excessive underarm sweating annually. There are several treatment options available. However, miraDRY is the only FDA-approved option that provides a permanent solution. Using microwave technology, the process provides controlled heat to the underarm area and permanently disables the sweat glands. It will also permanently remove any hair growing in that area. Studies have shown that all patients undergoing miraDRY therapy enjoy at least approximately 80% reduction in sweat and approximately 70% reduction in odor. The procedure is well tolerated, with the possibility of some minor temporary redness and swelling at the therapy site. Sweat glands under the arms account for only 1 to 2% of sweat glands in the entire body, so excessive sweating elsewhere upon elimination is rarely, if ever, seen. The small amount of affected glands does not harm the body.